Here I am. Yes, salutations. So today, I just want to share a little gizmo that I've been playing with. It's the Besos Max. What this is an earpick. So you switch this guy on. Very bright light. You connect it to your phone via Wi-Fi. And then you go scampering about in your ear while you capture, or you can see what's going on your phone. Very interesting, yes. You get a charge wire with it, some extra diddly doodad greeny thingies for the earpick itself, and an assortment of stuff to scratch around in your ear with. Do I advise anyone going scratching about where you're not supposed to? No. Did I do it? Yes. Are you supposed to do what I tell you? No. Okay. So now I'm going to give you a slight demonstration. If ever you feel squeamish or so, or never mind that. That's just a test. So if you feel squeamish at any point, please stop the video immediately. But before you do, smash that like button. Okay, let's get into it. Here I am. Yes, now let's get into the juicy bits. So this was my left hand ear, and I had quite the feeling of fullness. And if I would lay down on my ear and get up, I would it would be like you could feel there's something sticky inside there. So yes, lo and behold, when I looked into my ears the first time, I was like, yeah, hey. I've never actually had my ears professionally cleaned before by someone, but yes. With this tool, I was able to remove some wax. Ooh, that's like ooh, that's gross. There's the eardrum back there. At least I don't have any wax impacted on my eardrum or something. That's the thing with those earbuds. When you push that earbud in your ear, most of the times you push the wax deeper into your ear and up against your eardrum. And that could be quite painful and uncomfortable. Lack of hearing. I only know this is because I've been watching a lot of dudes on YouTube. Yes, I like to watch this gross stuff. Please don't unfriend me, block me. Yes. But yes, if you feel that, now for me, just curious, like I just wanted to see what's going on in my ears. But yes, I would advise consulting a professional if you have a problem. So this is the right hand side ear. Nice big chunk of wax right there at the entrance. And another one. That's a nice big old chunk. It fell off somewhere. Yeah. There's the eardrum. And for some reason I had a hair in my ear. I did go back a day later and I did managed to take the hair out of my ear. Yeah, there it is. Wait. So yes, that's that. So thanks for stopping by and saying hi. And until next time, bye bye.